You searched it. Now here's the answer. 300-pound watercolor paper versus 140-pound watercolor paper. Well, one is very durable and one is not. One can take a beating and one cannot. Really, look at there. Oh, you just bent your nice painting. Does this one do that? Nope, it's pretty thick. Anyhow, it's really not one is better than the other, but the real deal is where are you painting? What are you doing? I know a particular time when I was painting on the beach in sunny San Diego when it was not sunny. And the great thing is about this paper, and when it's wet, it absorbs. Bad thing about this paper is it costs a lot of money. The great thing about the 140 is you can afford it when you're learning and just starting out doing plein air painting or in the studio.
Yeah, baby.